Hello, wonderful people. Hello, hope you are all well and doing great, and you are sharing our videos. Orokodo mombonjidu data. Sepezi ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food. Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, ban papa. It's another beautiful day, as you know. We are heading towards Christmas. For all you know, before you get this video, Christmas is also with you. Christmas is sometimes we have unexpected visitors. Yes, so I'm coming to prepare some spinach. This is for me and my family. I always cook in bulk, portion them, and then put it in the freezer because I'm a very busy person. I don't do only Hilda's kitchen, but I also work as well. So stay here with me. Don't skip through the video because it's going to be simple, but at the same time healthy, and it will benefit you, especially for those who are very busy working Monday to Friday. So basically, I've chopped or sliced all my onion. Make sure try my onion in our fine. This is ginger. I'm not going to blend anything. When you go to a Krasia, they don't have blender, but they still eat equally pepper. I'm going to chop everything or dice everything nicely. So those who are saying, Auntie, I don't have blender. Now today let's do it without blender, and let's see how things are going to be. A rokodo or a ginger. At least if you don't have meat to crana, you have ginger to eat with your yam, boiled rice or whatever. A rokoda. Give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to the youth. I've got also rosemary over here. Going to chop it. So now that we finish chopping our onion, ginger, rosemary, and fresh pepper. We are going to add our oil to the pan. Today, as always, I love using this for my stew. Anything about palm oil, I love using this. They haven't paid me to do adverts for them, but I just love using this because it's on the water chamado for. Kindly share this video. So as you can see, my oil is hot. I'm adding all my chopped onion, ginger, pepper, rosemary, all in one go. Oh yes, Papo. Example, after 5 minutes, I could tell the onion and why very soft and delicious. Walesha, he was fun. Assistant Senior Captain Planet said, you super cool. Buy some from Hilda's Kitchen. You can post it to you wherever you are in the UK. Super cool. Ni senior sister ni Kobe said so Kobe senior sister. I've washed it very nicely, and I'm going to dip this in the oil, no onion, nanankasa onion on fufa sister. Fry no bed. Ebusuafo, as you can tell, I know wow, come. So now all that I'm doing is I'm adding my chopped tomatoes. You can add fresh if you want. You can also watch from my channel. I've got a lot of different ways of cooking my spinach stew. Only abuchi contemporary fry set as it's very healthy. I love spinach. I've got some courgettes. Hey, courgette is what was it? Shall more mushrooms. So I love mushroom. I love veg, but all the same, veg I'm going to add this to the stew. So stay tuned. Oh, easy banapapo or rockado. Without the spinach in it, you can eat it like that. Set as it. Or what you do, don't skip through the video or rockado. To season our stew today, we are going to use fajita seasoning. Okay, just add in a bit of it. Paprika or rockado. But if you're having a teacher for a many one, it's was one kind of fajita, what kind of fajita, because of Spanish, or boa mushomoboa, mammy, it's some way jazz way. Oh, yes, the banapapa, oh, yeah, good food, oh, what you do. If you say a mini barracuda, you do in kakrama, you can use this for your shito or anything if you blend it. Hilda's Kitchen Mutonibi, whatever I'm using. I'm going to allow them to swim. Mr. Damufro easy if you are in Ghana, that is common for you. Hey, my sister Jack, yeah, or hey, easy. Hey, oh yes, Banapapo, Elio program, Papa, call Hilda's Kitchen on 0799097527. Oh, what you do wrong. Bring your buyer, Papa, for try to puna. Walk to one or peeping.
Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen.
Spinach in a while already. You have very nice. Yes, get yourself ready for Christmas or any occasion. Don't wait till you get visitors before you start cooking. Fantastic.
American for baby, Ibesizi, now Wakumum, out of Hilda's Kitchen. Hilda's Kitchen. Ezipan papa fie. Ibeko na san aba ebezibio. Baby away ezibano. What you feel? Na easy this one. When we beji because mo was saved banupo. What we are kono keke. What so today it's na saying onye baby and what is walk keke. Say baby pan papa. Oh you Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in clean environment.
Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Kindly like this video and share it to all your friends, your family ones. When it means to share more, no days on the panel is that in your sets us as an eye a deliciously fantastic baby. I got this from little. It's very nice. As you all know, I love my mackerel here. As he has oil no so you omega-3. Papa B. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Sister, try it. Oh yeah, zebra papa. Froyi no good you. She. While I share mackerel na me to my wire corner them no sister. Hey. Hey, only no, you know, the juice no from the mackerel no. Sister Hilda's kitchen control for you and say in the bida. No, no, kindly share this video no for you not benign. Hey, this can last me for more than a month. Set I say. My portion and my busy no, my ziba outer and canning na no shower, no shower. Yes, since today be an amabum. Hey, we are in raining season, so try and organize yourself, and it also helps you to save money so you can live better. Oh, baby. Oh yes, that's now comfort. Guys, our stew is finally ready, and as I said, I'm gonna portion it, allow it to cool down, and then put it in the freezer for rain season. Say it as it. Make to me a 3. Yeah, so mama drop me in the bag. This portion you have to consume it. Everything I got. Super kunai guy. White rice no control the fry. Baby. Oh yeah, papa. Sister, like my video, share, and kindly subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Namo bonji data.
American for baby, Ibezizi, now wakumum out of form. Hilda's kitchen, Hilda's kitchen, Eziban Papa Fie, Ibeko Nasan Abba, Ebezibium, baby away Ezibano, what so, why you feel? Na is this one when Rabeji, because one was saved Banupo, one we are Konokake, what so, today Zibana and Kasa. Now saying they on your baby and was it walk a cool, say Betty Pan Papa, or your Hilda's kitchen, good food made in clean environments. Oh, yes, Papa.